How to fix you can't access setting for a few days on Instagram. Everyone, I'm here to guide you on how to fix you can't access setting for a few days on your Instagram. So, first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and make sure that your app is updated. Search for Instagram and click on your Instagram app. If there's any update available, click on the update option. After that, go back. You can also fix your Instagram access problem by updating your app if an update is available. If that doesn't fix your problem, then go to your settings. Go to your mobile settings, then go to app management on your device. Find and select Instagram. Here, you'll see options like clear data and clear cache. Clear all data and cache. After that, you should be able to access your Instagram settings. If you're still facing trouble, open up your browser. Search for Instagram Support Center. Click on Contact Us. Here, you can request to download your Instagram information, describe your issue and request data access. They will provide you with options to help with your data access request. Select I don't have an Instagram account and I want to access my data. Provide your full name, select your country, and enter your email address. Submit these requirements, agree, and send this to the Instagram Help Support Center. So those are the 3 steps to fix your access setting problem on Instagram. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.